Premium monoculars are ideal for those grappling with binocular vision challenges and twin eyepiece adjustments. They cater to diverse interests such as wildlife photography, sports observation, and bird watching. Unlike binoculars, which cater to both eyes, monoculars provide magnification for a single eye. Despite their compact and lightweight design, monoculars offer the same magnification levels as traditional binoculars. Given the reduced weight and size of monoculars compared to regular binoculars, the focus was on finding a lightweight and robust option capable of withstanding the demands of everyday bird watching and wildlife spotting. In this guide, we have curated a broad range of selection considering factors such as magnification, size, and budget. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. 5. Hawke Nature Trek 8x25 Monocular. The Hawke Nature Trek 8x25 Monocular, crafted by the British brand Hawke, renowned for its innovative and value-packed product, exemplifies precision engineering and top-notch build quality. The result is a binocular that delivers accurate and precise vision, promising an unforgettable viewing experience. Whether embarking on a bird-watching adventure or exploring diverse terrains, the Nature Trek range of lightweight, shock-resistant monoculars by Hawke ensures an extraordinary viewing encounter. Specifically tailored for bird watching, the Hawke Nature Trek 8x25 monocular boasts impressive specifications, including a 25mm objective lens size, 8x magnification, a field of view measuring 119 meters by 100 meters, 13mm eye relief, a closest focusing distance of 5 meters, and waterproof and fogproof capabilities. Weighing a mere 147 grams and measuring 105mm by 30mm, these monoculars combine fantastic optics with a robust waterproof and nitrogen-sealed body, all packed into a light and compact design. While the focus ring may occasionally present challenges, the Hawke Nature Trek 8x25 monocular stands out as an excellent choice for casual use, providing a sharp and clear picture with minimal fringing. Despite its affordable price, the monocular boasts a textured body for enhanced grip, along with waterproofing and nitrogen purging to prevent condensation. While other options may offer superior magnification and a broader field of view, the Hawke Nature Trek 8x25 remains a compelling choice for its unparalleled convenience. 4. Nightfox Cub. The Nightfox Cub, backed by the Nightfox Advantage and a trusted user base exceeding 75,000 worldwide, presents a pocket-sized rechargeable digital night vision scope designed for optimal nighttime visibility. Weighing a mere 7.8 ounces, this compact device seamlessly fits into your pocket, ensuring portability wherever your explorations take you. Equipped with a quality 3x magnification optical lens, the Nightfox Cub strikes a balance between a comfortable field of view and an impressive true viewing range extending up to 500 feet for medium-range targets. The device operates on a high-capacity LG Cell 3200 mAh internal rechargeable battery, providing approximately 4 hours of continuous use. Charging is convenient with the included USB cable, compatible with your computer, a USB wall charger, or a power bank. Specifications for the Nightfox Cub include 3x optical magnification, 2x digital magnification, a closest focusing distance of 2 meters, waterproof and fogproof capability, a weight of 255 grams, and dimensions measuring 127 by 46 by 72 millimeters. This pocket-sized digital monocular delivers color viewing during daylight and transitions seamlessly to night vision with 7 sensitivity levels, extending its range to 150 meters for effective bird and wildlife observation. The well-placed buttons facilitated easy control of the 3x optical zoom and 2x digital zoom, while 8 brightness levels allowed for adaptable viewing in varying light conditions, such as when clouds dim the surroundings. Additionally, the Nightfox Cub offers a recording feature, supported by a 32GB microSD card for storage, enhancing its versatility for capturing and reviewing your nighttime observations. Notable reasons to consider the Nightfox Cub include its competitive price point, compact and lightweight design, and the ability to record both night vision and color. However, potential drawbacks include the absence of full HD video capability and a non-self-closing memory battery door. 3. JIELEGEBI Billhead Shark 1 Monoculars. The JIELEGEBI Billhead Shark 1 Monoculars redefine observational experiences with their adjustable magnification ranging from 10 to 30 times, catering to diverse observation distances and scenarios, offering exceptional clarity and field of view when focused on stationary objects in close proximity. The monocular excels in bird watching and long-range target shooting. The high magnification zoom function enhances flexibility, enabling swift target discovery and identification, thereby elevating the enjoyment of hunting and overall observational experiences. Featuring advanced FMC full broadband green film anti-reflective technology, BAK4 prisms, and ED lenses, the JIELEGEBI monocular faithfully reproduces realistic images even in low light conditions, ensuring excellent performance throughout various lighting situations. The JIELEGEBI monocular is designed to withstand the rigors of daily life, being waterproof, fog-proof, and shockproof, providing robust protection. Crafted from high-quality ABS material with a surface frosting finish that resists fingerprints, it offers a comfortable hand feel. For added convenience, the monocular comes with a waist bag and wrist strap, facilitating easy carrying and gripping. This versatility makes it suitable for an array of outdoor activities, including bird watching, whale watching, fishing, hiking, sailing, sports events, concert attendance, beach trips, driving, nature observation, photography, and wildlife observation, enhancing the overall experience in each of these pursuits, providing outdoor enthusiasts and stargazers with a new perspective on exploring the world. The JIELEGEBI monocular telescope with 10 to 30 by 50 optical zoom stands out as the ultimate gift. Equipped with BAK4 prisms, ED lenses, and advanced FMC full broadband green film, this high-powered telescope delivers crystal-clear images and anti-reflective technology for a stunning viewing experience. The 15mm adjustable eye relief and 20mm eye, along with the 50mm objective lens, ensure comfort and flexibility for users of all ages and genders. This monocular telescope's adjustable magnification, ranging from 10 to 30 times, makes it perfect for bird watching, hunting, and stargazing, providing greater flexibility and a variable range to suit various observational needs. 2. Leica Monovid 8x20 Monocular. The Leica Monovid 8x20 Monocular, part of the Blackline series, stands out for its pocket-sized design with 8x magnification, seamlessly fitting into jacket pockets, shirts, or pants. Weighing a mere 112 grams, it is a lightweight, robust, and remarkably user-friendly optical device, serving as the perfect companion for on-the-go use. Renowned for its elegant design and high-quality optics, the Monovid 8x20 is the preferred choice among those who value sophistication in their optical instrument. As a premium option in the market, the specifications of the Leica Monovid 8x20 include a 20mm objective lens size, 8x magnification, a field of view measuring 110 meters, 15mm eye relief, a closest focusing distance of 25 centimeters, and waterproof and fogproof capabilities. The dimensions of the monocular are 97.9 by 105 by 35.5 millimeters. Key reasons to consider purchasing the Leica Monovid 8x20 monocular include its unbeatable build quality and watertight construction, capable of submersion in water up to depths of almost 5 meters. The monocular's aluminum housing, weighing just 112 grams, is both strong and portable, nitrogen-filled to prevent internal fogging, ensuring reliable performance in various climates. The monocular comes with a cylindrical carry case, including a close-up lens offering 8x magnification at distances as close as 25 centimeters. Despite its compact size, comparable to a tube of Smartie, the Leica Monovid 8x20 delivers fine detail, providing an impressive viewing experience. Comfort is enhanced through its rugged surface, 15mm eye relief, and a convenient central focusing knob. However, it's essential to note that the premium performance of the Leica Monovid 8x20 comes at a significant cost. The monocular is notably expensive compared to mass-produced alternatives, making it an investment that may warrant inclusion in your list of insured items. The exceptional build quality, elegant design, and top-tier features position the Leica Monovid 8x20 as a class-leading monocular in its category. 1. Opticron Explorer WA-EDR 8x42. The Opticron Explorer WA-EDR 8x42 is a high-quality roof prism design monocular featuring ED glass objectives. Equipped with a PC phase-corrected prism and R-type high-light transmission multi-coating, this monocular ensures superior optical performance. Its nitrogen waterproof construction, finished in gloss black, adds to its durability and reliability. Designed with a wide-angle eyepiece and long eye relief to accommodate spectacle wearers, the Opticron Explorer WA-EDR 8x42 also features a multi-stage retractable eye cup and a smooth-action wide-wheel focusing mechanism. While the monocular offers an excellent overall package, potential drawbacks include a stiff focusing mechanism and accessories that may be perceived as low quality. Despite these considerations, the Opticron Explorer WAEDR8x42 is an affordable model that fulfills the fundamental needs of general monocular users. With a commendable range of up to 100 meters and nitrogen-filled optics to prevent condensation, it is both compact and robust, ensuring resilience in field use. While minor concerns such as a slight magenta color cast and perceived flimsiness of end caps exist, they do not overshadow the fact that this monocular provides great value for its price, making it a reliable and efficient choice for various observational needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.